The Lenovo K10 Max drone boasts impressive features, including an 8K professional camera, 3-camera setup, optical flow localization, and 4-way obstacle avoidance, making it a top choice for both adults and children. The 8K camera delivers stunning aerial footage, ensuring crisp and detailed videos. The 3-camera system adds versatility, allowing for creative shots from different perspectives. One standout feature is the optical flow localization, enhancing stability and precision during flights. This is especially beneficial for capturing smooth footage and maintaining control in various environments. The 4-way obstacle avoidance system is a game-changer, ensuring a safer flying experience by intelligently detecting and navigating around obstacles. Designed with both professionals and hobbyists in mind, the Lenovo K10 Max drone offers a user-friendly experience. The remote control provides intuitive navigation, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. The drone's durability and build quality inspire confidence, crucial for outdoor adventures. The inclusion of advanced features, such as Follow Me mode, Orbit mode, and waypoint navigation, elevates the overall flying experience. These features add creativity in automation, allowing users to focus on capturing breathtaking moments. While the 8K camera is a standout feature, it's essential to consider factors like battery life. Users may want to invest in additional batteries for extended flight sessions. Additionally, familiarizing oneself with the drone's controls and features is crucial to unlocking its full potential. In conclusion, the Lenovo K10 Max drone is a powerful and versatile device, perfect for enthusiasts seeking a professional-grade drone with advanced features. Its combination of a high-resolution camera, multiple shooting modes, stability features, and obstacle avoidance technology makes it a compelling choice in the competitive drone market. Whether you're an aerial photographer or a drone hobbyist, the Lenovo K10 Max